Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Africah Harrigan, and today we are going to do a review of the Dopp Kit by BEIS. Of course, you know it comes in this plastic, and the plastic says get lost, find yourself, and repeat. It's a little bit hard to see because the Dopp Kit is black. I'll go ahead and remove it from the plastic. It's original plastic. As you can see, I haven't used this yet, but I do intend on using it. But as promised, I am going to do a thorough review of each of the BEIS luggage pieces and accessories that I received. So let's go ahead and go over the aesthetics of it. So the Dopp Kit in black. It does come with two options. It comes in beige as well. And I'm seriously considering purchasing the beige as well, to be very honest with you. Okay, so in black it has beige and gray. This feels like some type of vegan leather of some sort. And then of course up top, this is all canvas. And it's like that on this side. It has a tag that says BEIS in beige, just so you know, make it stand out a little bit. And then when you open it up, of course, you know it has a handle. Let me go ahead and remove this plastic off of it. So the handle is basically used for the door. And I love how you can snap it on and snap it off. So here it is. You can just snap it and unsnap it. And on the handle, it also has the BEIS logo as well. And this is pretty much like, you know, you go to the bathroom, you hang up your toiletries on the door like so. Or me, knowing me, I probably won't do that. But the option is always good. Knowing myself, I probably just place this on top of the bathroom counter instead of hanging it up somewhere. I don't really see myself doing that too often. Okay, so I'll go ahead and now open it. So the zipper opens up like butter, and when you open it up, it opens up like a doctor bag. So this is what it looks like open. Let me turn it to the front. And this is what it looks like open, and the top has like a doctor bag look. Why I think this is extremely effective is because when you're looking for your toiletries, you don't really want everything so, you know, on top of each other and you can't find anything. My toiletries, when I'm traveling, to be very honest with you, they're very minimal. I limit things to like toothpaste, mouthwash, a lotion, maybe my eye cream. But I always try to, when it comes to like liquids and stuff, try to pack really light, because I always feel like once I reach my final destination and I need something, I can just always just go to the store and just purchase it. So I just put like really basic items that I know that I'll need once I arrive, and if there's anything else that I want, I'll just go ahead and just buy it. But so here's the concept of it. So when you look inside, it's a wipeable material. As you can see, it looks like a plastic. So it's a very wipeable material inside, and I mean, I'm not sure what you would do to make it dirty, but okay, that was just like the silica thing that you keep inside to keep the bag fresh. Okay, so it's a very wipeable lining on the interior. On this side, you can see that there's a long slit pocket right here on that side, and on the opposite side is a pocket just for your toothbrush. Now, how adorable is this? And what I love about this compartment is that not only can it hold a manual toothbrush, but it can also hold an electronic toothbrush. And I love the option of both. Like usually when I travel, to be really honest with you, I carry both with me. When it's a backup in one, because I actually enjoy using it, which is the electronic toothbrush. Okay, so there you can just go ahead and just slip that in this compartment, and your toothbrush is separate. You can always use some alcoholic wipes and just go ahead and just wipe the interior of it prior to using, you know, putting your toothbrush in there just for sanitary purposes and reasons. And then of course you have the rest of the area for your creams, your lotions, your eye cream, your soap, your mouthwash, your toothpaste. So you'll have the rest of this for all of your personal items that you like to travel with. Of course, perfume. I love perfumes. If you haven't had an opportunity to check out my video on Dossier, which was one of my latest perfumes that I reviewed, go ahead and check it out. And you also get a discount code. So, I mean, You can just type in Africa 10 to get a discount on that. But besides from Dossier, I actually have other perfumes that I really and truly love to have with me. My Louis Vuitton Apogee perfume is certainly one of them. I won't bring an entire bottle of perfume, but I'll just put it inside of one of those travel cases, travel bottles, and just, you know, pump it inside of it and just put it in here, as well as other samples of perfume as well. Okay, so I can go ahead and I'll just close this up, and this is what it looks like when it's closed and sitting on top of the counter. I think that this is perfect, and it's really and truly a good size. It's big, like, you know, you may see like, okay, this looks really, really big, but to me it's perfect to hold what you need it to hold. Now, when you look at the bottom is not removable, but I love the idea of being able to fully use the space. I'm just gonna unzip the bottom portion here to hold additional products if you want to hold additional products. And it's just basically the bottom space. So when you close it, it will look like this. When you open up the bottom, it will look more like that. Again, that plastic interior, which is really wipeable. It's a really wipeable interior that you can use to put more things here. But honestly, I think that I will divide up how I'm going to use this. For example, I probably would just leave like any type of medicines and stuff like that under here, like facial masks can probably go under here. Like I was saying in the last video, I don't really use medicine every day or anything like that. I'm overall, thank God, a very healthy person. Thank you, Jesus. But for certain, when if I'm traveling from a hot climate to a cold climate, it's like, you know, I'm more susceptible to getting sick. So I'll carry things like some cold medicine or more vitamin C packets. Definitely going to bring all of my vitamins with me. And, you know, this area here, I will just use this more like a medicinal compartment, more so than anything else, because I feel like the up top compartment is wide enough and deep enough for me to put my toiletry essentials inside of it. Now, I really and truly love how smooth this zipper is, because I mean, it's just easy. And I love the fact that, you know, you can either hold it like this and just put it on the counter like that. And I like the option of the door, you know, hanging it on the door or the shower caddy, wherever you hang your toiletry pouches as well. So I really and truly do like this piece. I think that it's worth the money, and I think that, you know, I might end up getting the beige one because I mean, why not get the beige one? My luggage is beige, so I might as well get the beige one and just maybe use one for myself and one for my daughter for her essentials as well, you know. But I really and truly, I think I'm going to enjoy using this particular toiletry pouch. I'll use it and let you guys know what I think about it, what are my overall impressions about it, if I like it or not, but I think that I will. Anyway, if you really and truly enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome back, all my subbies. If you have a question or a comment, go ahead and leave it in the comment box below. Also, I would love to know, you can leave this in a comment as well, what kind of toiletry pouches do you all use? Which ones do you recommend? And if you have the toiletry pouch from BEIS, which color and how do you like it? I know that's like a lot of questions. It's all about the toiletry pouch, right? Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. BEIS toiletry pouch. Gotta love it. Actually, this is really soft. I'm Africah Harrigan. Stay beautiful.